Now, for more on this, we are being joined by Pakistan Bureau Chief Anas Malik. Anas, thank you so much for joining us. Big relief for former Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan. What can you tell us?
Well, indeed, it is a sigh of relief for Imran Khan. A short while back, the verdict was announced by the two-member bench. They have suspended the Toshakhana sentencing or the conviction, but at the same time, they have not annulled or quashed it. So that means when the detailed verdict comes in, it would be specified on Imran Khan's electoral fate, because in case if it continues, if it's just suspended, then Imran Khan would not be able to contest elections. A short while back, we spoke to Barrister Gohar of Imran Khan's legal team, and he was confident that Imran Khan will be able to walk free. I questioned him what about the other cases in which he's presumed to be arrested, and he said that no official has taken responsibility, and that is the reason he has filed a petition before the Islamabad High Court. That is to my right. What you see behind me is rush, commotion, policemen, media personnel present in numbers, and they were all here for security arrangements and to cover this landmark judgment for Imran Khan, as it would be. His legal team is hopeful that Imran Khan will be able to walk out free as a free person later today in the evening from the Attak prison.
Right, absolutely, Anas, like you rightly mentioned here, he can walk free, though this case's verdict has not been annulled. That means he may not be able to contest elections. What does this mean and imply for his political career then?
Well, at this point of time, it is still uncertain what will be his fate, politically speaking, because when the verdict comes in writing, only then he would get to know that what are the grounds for the suspension and what is the course correction that might have been said or might have been stated by the higher judiciary to the lower courts. So whether the case goes back to the trial court, to the additional session court, to the session court, that would only be cleared, the air would be cleared when we have that written verdict from the High Court. But with that, essentially, if he gets to walk free, then he gets to restart his campaign. Even if he's not eligible to contest elections, he gets to restart his campaign. He gets to get his party together, which has been at an all-time low right now. A lot of people, dissidents moving on, a lot of people jump shipping from the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, some arrests, some crackdown that have been ongoing, and the leader himself was in prison. So he would take this as an opportunity to reflect and get his party back together, that is, so that ahead of the electoral campaign, he's much more of a solid contender and he has a much more solidified position, at least on the ground.
Right. Well, Anas, thank you so much for getting us the latest on this. We will, of course, continue to track the developments closely. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.